I mean, these are cute.
Know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave.
Which bag I'm gonna use? So let's pick, guys. Let's pick the bag. So between this one, you see this bag? This is cute. I'm feeling this one, guys. Is it just me or something? Like this one is giving. Between this one, right? And let me show you the bag. And this one. No, I love this Michael Kors bag. Guys, do you see me close? Oh. But this is cute as well. Like, I think this bag is so easy. Like, sling it here. I think I'm gonna put this one on, guys. This is giving, you know, really. Yeah. Love you guys.
I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful. Till I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yo guys, I hope you're enjoying this vlog, guys. So guys, today is Sunday. I've been wanting to do my laundry and ironing, because I wanted to iron my bed cover. So yeah, my duvet, something like that. So hi guys, how you doing, guys? I'm fine. I love Sundays because Sundays are just so good and so fulfilling, you know. I love the song, guys. I really love the song. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful. 'Cause all my life you have been so good. Hey! Guys, how you doing, guys? I hope you guys are loving yourselves and taking care of yourselves, guys. So guys, I saw this thing which was talking about you know, how people, I saw this TikTok about this lady who was talking about, oh, like our finances are not working out with my husband because we didn't take care of our expenses. And you know how things are, like people who stay here in SA usually are on debt. Like people buy anything on debt, like even like a couch on debt, a stove. Why people do that, like on debt? So guys, I was saying, why do people buy, like, why would you buy a couch? Why would you buy a couch in credit? Because this thing I school return like money in return later on. I would understand someone who say, guys, make me understand. I don't understand this. Like, why do people buy things like why would you buy like a kettle niche credit? Like, make me understand. Why would you do that? Because right now that like I bought my couch, if I want to resell it to somebody else, you have to lose a value because you get me. So I don't get why people do that. Like, please guys, make me understand. Why would you buy furniture niche credit? Even a car, I don't get it, guys. I'm someone who is scared of debt. So like I was seeing this TikTok and she was like, so we bought a house and our costs are queer. Like, you know how people are, like, you don't account for your pay. Kuti pay yangu imari and inokwana here kuso kana matenga imba ya mukuda inokwana here also tenga like kubadara, like if you have a bond or something, inokwana here too. Inokwana here kuzoita kana ukada utenga like your furniture food on debt, inokwana, because now you are left with nothing and you are living on minus. Like, people should, guys, take care of your financial, I don't know, whatever. Be responsible. Like, you should think twice, should I buy this thing or not? Because you can't live on debt. Like, you can't. How? Guys, I can't even sleep. I just thought, oh my god, oh my god, I don't know, guys. Make me understand. I know the banking and finance people, the people who work my bank are gonna come at me like, hey, what? Increase my credit score for what reason? I don't get it, guys. I think, guys, I just came here to tell you how good God is in our lives. This is December. This is the end of the year, and I'm just so grateful for whatever God has done for me in my life so far. We just want to thank God. Honestly, we just want to thank God for his love. He has never failed us. And I want to tell you guys, if 2023 was not good for you, just take this. 2024 is going to be your year. Do you feel me? Exactly, bestie. Mwah. Guys, let's subscribe. Let's subscribe. Road to 700 subscribers. We're having a giveaway at 1,000. So love you guys. Mwah. Guys, I want to show you something my mom brought me from Z.
As a friend, and I have lived.
Guys, look what my mom brought me from Z. Guys, it's a multifunctional pan. You can cook your pizzas and stuff here, and meat and stuff like that. In my chefing era, is it giving? It's giving, exactly. So guys, it came in a box. Like, imagine my mom this with more big pandeg, imagine, with this in her suitcase. The determination to bring me something here. Like, she's so sweet. I know that's right. And this is how it looks like inside. Yeah. So then you plug this to the wall. So yeah, in one of our cooking stations, we're gonna be using her. Isn't she pretty? Yeah. She's so pretty, guys. Yeah. Guys, I'm now a wife. Like, it's giving wifey. Like, I deserve the title.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it.
Of the vlog, besties. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you're loving yourselves and taking good care of yourselves, loves. So yeah, see you in the next one. Love you to the moon and never coming back, honey.
Need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need